Welcome back. We are here looking at the cryptocurrency market, and this is going to be my daily forecast for Wednesday, July 14, 2021. If you like to support the channel, you will hit the subscribe button down here in the corner, hit the like button and the bell button to see our newest videos, and we'll start by looking at the Bitcoin. And as you can see, it is really tumbling at this current stage. It is really fragile, this market. It did try to rally up towards the 300 moving average and then bang, fell and opened right now and continues to fall. We are going to have a crossing here of the MACD and the signal line indicating bearish momentum. Stochastic is bearish and so is the RSI. If we're to break below 30K, then we are most likely going to test the 28 and then 25, 20, and then, well, much lower than that if you break 20K. Every single time we try to rally here up towards the 50, it just gets sold into, and people are at this current stage not buying the dips. So there have been certain areas where they have bought them. You can see it right here. When it got really overstretched, people bought it. It also got fairly overstretched here and they bought them, and same goes for here. But at this current stage, this is slowly just dropping off a cliff. So let's look at Ethereum. Same goes for Ethereum. It did rally quite nicely up towards the 50 moving average, and since then we have fallen. So now we're trading underneath the 200 moving average. Probably gonna have a crossing now of the 20 and the 200, and probably the 50 and the 200 within the next 2 weeks. And if we'll probably find the support down here at the bottom of the Bollinger Band at 1766. Break below that, then the 300 moving average down here at 1500. MACD has just crossed the signal line, indicating bearish momentum. Stochastic is bearish, and so is the RSI. And there's quite a lot of room to the downside. So 300 moving average kind of looks like the target here. Break below 1500, then that opens the door to 1000. And after that, a massive tidal wave down towards probably 100. So let's look at Cardano. So Cardano also has rallied up towards the 50 moving average and then has dropped yet again. And now it looks like we're going to target 200, and that's down at the 1.09. MACD just crossed the signal line. Stochastic is bearish, and so is the RSI. Break below 200 moving average, then we're going to test $1, and then probably 300 moving average down at 0.76. Looks like every time we try to rally, we are finding massive resistance at the 50 moving average, which is trading at 1.44 at this current stage. So let's look at Litecoin. Yes, Litecoin, very similar here, struggling at the 20 exponential, tried to rally up here, broke down, and now just going slowly to the downside, trading at 190 and now 129, and kind of here is going to be where we'll see whether or not this falls apart. It's roughly at $100 for this cryptocurrency, and that will basically make this drop towards this level here at 70, and then 63, and then much lower than that. It is slowly just dropping off a cliff, like similar to most of the other cryptocurrencies. So let's look at NEO. So NEO is basically the same graph. It's struggling at the 20 exponential, falling towards roughly $29. After that, if we drop below $25, then we're probably going to 20, and then much lower than that. Then we're going to have to look at where we are here, down to $10, $12, $13. MACD is still bullish, and Stochastic is bearish, and the RSI is bearish, and still room to the downside. It'll probably bounce off at 29.58, which is the bottom of the Bollinger Band. So let's look at Dogecoin. So this took a real hit today, down roughly 5%, and now it's just getting closer and closer to the 200 moving average. Wouldn't be surprised if we bounce from the 200 moving average, which is roughly at 0.17. MACD has crossed the signal line, indicating bearish momentum. Stochastic has crossed bearish, and so is the RSI. 200 moving average will mostly make this bounce to the upside. But at this current stage, if this continues, then the 20 and the 200 will cross. 50 and the 200 will cross within the next few weeks. And that will probably make this drop towards the 300 moving average down here at 0.11. So momentum definitely has changed here. We did have a bounce off the 200 moving average only a few weeks ago, but yeah, this people are not buying the dips at this current stage. So hope you find this helpful and you want to support the channel. Welcome to help this channel by subscribing and hit the like button above to see our new videos, and good luck and thank you very much.